My name is Tracy Peltier, and I'm from Shawnee, Oklahoma. I'm 47 years old, and I decided I wanted to start my own business, and after researching, I saw this was a money-making business. It's been a great learning experience, especially on the marketing piece. I learned a lot today. What I thought that I knew about detailing, I learned that I actually didn't know anything, and I think this gave me a lot better leg up on learning what I need to know. Interior training was, again, very intensive. I loved how the instructors, though, have taught us to work smarter, not harder. There's a lot of techniques that are out there that I wouldn't have thought to do on my own, so I was very grateful. It was great. What we accomplished in 3 days was amazing. Everybody's been amazing. I would definitely recommend this class to anybody.